This video, I want to show you some of the women's handbags that I've picked up. And I actually have quite a few, and I think I have some really nice ones. So let me know what you think in the comments. We'll start off with, here's a Vera Bradley. I love the colors, the butterflies. Who doesn't love a butterfly? I only paid $3.99 for this. It is very clean. Absolutely love this bag. Little handle. And after I list everything, I'm going to let you know as they sell what they go for. Now this bag was just adorable. This is a Hello Kitty bag. It just looks like such a fun bag. I did pay $5.99. Look at the colors are great. They're just so bright. Now this would be great for a little girl. Maybe put her books in there. Go to Grandma's house. Come to Mimi's house. Nani's, Nana. What do you call what do you call your child's grandparent? Let me know what you call them. I'm a Mimi. I grew up with a Grammy. But you know what? I wanted to be a Mimi. Just so much easier for the children to say. Although I'm still waiting for my grandson to say it. And so, how adorable is this? It's in overall pretty good condition. So let's move on. I struck at the right time this day. I went to the Goodwill. And whether my items are, I'm not even sure if they're fake or if they're real, but it turns out I hit the sale just right. I found all these Dooney and Burke bags, and this one was $3.99. As you can see, I mean, it looks like it's a vintage Dooney and Burke. I don't know. It's pretty stiff, like it hasn't been used very often. It's cute. I love the hearts all over it. So let me know what you think in the comments. Are they real? What am I looking for? And here is another Dooney and Burke. This one is really cute. This one was $2.99. And it does have the names tag inside. Again, these feel like they have not been used. Like somebody had them and they just never used them. This was $2.99. Here's a Coach. And I don't really know what it takes to find out whether you have a real Coach or a real Dooney and Burke. I guess I'll have to do some more research. But these are so clean, I swear. They look like they've never been used. And this was $2.99. Yes, this was all in one shop. Here's another Coach. This one was interesting. It was very different, and I liked it. And it's very suede-like on the inside. And again, $2.99. This has a large Coach tag on the inside. This feels really nice, and I also the tags on the Coach does say Coach on the back and on the front. Let me know in the comments if you think it's real or fake. But this is adorable, and it even has, I mean, the Coach is even right on the little strap. You can see that. Let's see, we have another. What is this one? This is this purse is Love Cat Paris. I never heard of it, but you know what? I really thought that this was adorable with the hearts on it, and it says Love Cat, and it's got a little zipper purse right here. It does have a name tag on the inside. It says Love Cat. was also $2.99. Again, these look like they've never been used. They're very, maybe used once, and it does have bottom feet. I just don't know anything about Love Cat Paris, so you'll have to look it up. Then what do we have? Then I think this is a Vera Bradley shoulder bag. Sometimes simple is more. I liked this. It was simple. It's got a nice stripe pattern on the inside. I paid $7, $6.99. And, oh, I'm sorry. My apologies. This is a 31 bag. And it does say 31 on the inside. 31 bags are very expensive if you've ever gone to a party. I have not, but they are very expensive. So that is a nice bag. This is something I probably would wear. And let's see, last but not least inside this bag is, now this was kind of funky, and I thought, you know what, this is a fun backpack. So let me just lift it up and I'll show you. This is pink, Victoria's Secret. So I don't know if this was something that when you made a purchase, you received this bag. I did pay $6.99. This is a nice, like a satchel bag. Let me just close it up here. We all know Victoria's Secret's how expensive that can be, but this was a really cool find. I love the that it's a backpack. This actually would probably be something fun to use when I go tag sailing. So that was that bag of goodies. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll be back with more. Thanks for watching.